Monsoon has ended, and months later, the landscape is becoming arid. And the traces seen on this barren land are made by the 7 centimeter tall Sarada lizard. These lizards dig burrows in soil to reside, making themselves safe from other predators. Grasshopper can be a good meal, but sometimes a big one. Hardships are a part of nature. Even these lizards go through to reveal their identity. It's breeding time. Male Sarada lizard does his best to get himself noticed by approaching various heights, displaying his colorful dewlap. But this male is not as evident as it seems to be. The one on the higher platform is attracting all the females. But he's being watched by the male who owns this territory. He will have to fight if necessary. The intruder male dashes towards the territorial male. His rival is not backing down. This fight can be deadly. The intruder male has won and now holds this territory. The female is now impressed and will choose him as her partner. They are now together and she will be laying eggs for the future generations.